Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll be trying out something cool that I got at Walmart. The Mr. Beast cookies. This is the only flavor they had, so yeah, let's try 'em. If I find the original, then I will make a video on that too. Frick. Sorry, it's windy out today, so I just don't think I worked it right. I hate packaging like this. Whoever invented this packaging, I'm gonna beat them up. Okay, well, not really. No. Alright, there. Finally got them. This is the world's worst packaging ever. That's a point off. Alright. As you can see, pretty tiny, but size doesn't matter. Anyways, so let's try it. Even though they're supposed to be like gluten-free and plant-based, but that's good. I like it. But since there was a point off for the stupid packaging, it would be an 8 out of 10, but it's gonna be a 7 out of 10 for the packaging. And it kind of has a weird aftertaste, so it's like half a point off. It kind of tastes like a little bit of butterscotch. So yeah, this is a 6.5 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.